In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fillable fields in PDFgear. Now, the easiest way to do this is actually on their website. So go to their official website, go to PDF Online Tools, and then here at the bottom right, you can see Create Fillable PDF. Click on that, and then from here, you can of course select a PDF file or just start with a blank PDF. I'm going to click on a blank one to show you how this works. And up here, top left, you can see basically like a row where you can see a bunch of different things you can do, and you can just go ahead and add in text boxes like this. Of course, you could resize them and you could make them as, of course, according to your own plans and needs. And then you can right click, go to properties, and in here you can just rename them. You could set values, you could go ahead and change appearance, etc. There's a bunch of things you could do. Of course, you can play around if you want to. Then you have these password fields, which again goes the same. You could right click properties, and then here you can change the appearance, you can change general, stuff like that. You have these checkboxes, of course, which will allow people to check something in case they want to. They have these radio buttons, which of course I'm assuming you know what they do. It's like they can check whichever one they want. And then here you have drop downs, so we can create like a drop down menu. Again, right click in properties to be able to actually go ahead and edit these. For example, you want to go to options. I'm going to add some colors. I'm going to click on add. There we go. Red. And I'm going to do blue over here. And let's just do yellow as well. Add, okay, like this. I'm going to click on OK, and as you can see, the drop down now has options. So here I could also go to list box, which of course is the same. Right click properties, you can edit this one as well. In here it's pretty much the same as the drop down. And then you also have digital signatures if you want people to add digital signatures or stuff like that. Now whenever you're ready, click on download PDF over here. It's going to download it, and if I now open it, as you can see, I can type in text over here and it's a fillable field. I can go and type in the password over here as well. I can do check marks. I can select these radio buttons. I could go and select things from a drop down, and here I have the list. So that's how to basically do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.